Black Friday, as it is known, is the day that inaugurates the season of Christmas shopping with significant sales at many retail stores and department stores. If you manage an online channel, these ideas can help your business beyond discount. Make a time offer. Tell your customers that there will be an hour-specific discounts. Use Facebook offer format to viralize it. Create a gift guide. Open a new gift section. Identify the most seen in the season and announce it in a special way. Use Instagram and all your networks so that people know this guide by categories. Offer a free gift. The technique, buy an item and take another gift, is the best way to pamper your customers and motivate them to buy more. Add new products. Publish products in your store that normally you would not have available, even in pre-sale. Offer an advance. Create a redeemable code to access the discount and send it on Black Friday week. Take advantage of the hashtags. Everyone talks about Black Friday, which it will become a world trend event. This will undoubtedly help that their products are visible to people. Increase your advertising spending. It's time to invest, more than any other day in the year. To advertise is to sell. Use the new Facebook formats, carousel, presentation and video. Offer mysterious savings. Play with the customer. Leave certain products hidden so that when they find them, they see the different possibilities available. Tell them that in the store there are hidden discounts. This will help generate interest in entering your business.